सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविता शाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलं। नमस्कारः, स्वागतम्। 393 कक्षा 393rd क्लास टुडे। संक्षेप रामायणम् अस्माभिः पठ्यमानमस्ति। इदानीम् अधुना एतावत्पर्यन्तं मन्ये 49 श्लोकाः पठिताः अस्माभिः। 60 श्लोकात् श्लोकार्धः सार्ध 59 श्लोकाः एतावत्पर्यन्तं पठिताः सन्ति। वयं जानीमः संक्षेपरामायणं नाम रामायणस्य समग्रस्य रामायणस्य संक्षेपरूपेण कथाकथनं तत्र वाल्मीकिमहर्षिणा स्वयं कृतम्। अयमेव आदिमः तत्र सर्गः इति वक्तुं वर्तते रामायणे बालकाण्डे। श्रीनिवास, गतकक्षायां पूर्णतया कृतम् अभ्यासः अस्माभिः। अद्य तु नूतनश्लोकः 59तमः श्लोकः पूर्णतया पठितव्यः।
हनुमद्वचनाच्चैव सुग्रीवेण समागतः सुग्रीवानुच तत्सर्वं शंसद् रामो महाबलः
आदितस्तद्यथावृत्तं
सीतायाश्च विशेषतः।
हनुमद्वचनात् चैव गतकक्षायां पठितमेतत् सुग्रीवेन समागतः सुग्रीवाय च तत् सर्वं शंसद् रामः महाबलः आदितः तद् यथावृत्तं सीतायाः च विशेषतः इति पदच्छेदः। पदपरिचयं पश्यामः। सुग्रीवाय च अव्ययं चतुर्थी एकवचनं। तत् द्वितीय एकवचनं। सर्वं शंसत् पुनः रामः महाबलः आदितः अव्ययं यथावृत्तं समस्तं च सीतायाः आकारं विशेषतः इति अव्ययपदम्। इदानीम् आकाङ्क्षां पश्यामः। शंसत् इति कः अशंसत् ओन्ली इज ड्रॉप्ड हियर। कः असंशत्, हू प्रेज्ड? रामः इति। और शंस इति धातोः कथनमपि इति अर्थः वर्तते। हू टोल्ड? शंस गदति। So who narrated, who told? Ramah. कीदृशः रामः? महाबलः रामः। किम् अशंसत्? What did he narrate, speak?
आदितः तत्सर्वं वृत्तं अशंसत्।
He told that incident completely from the beginning. पुनः किम् अशंसत्? Again what he described like?
विशेषतः सीतायाः यथावृत्तं अशंसत्।
Whatever happened to Sita, how Sita was taken away by Ravana, all those things. Kasmai ashamsat, to whom did he narrate?
Sugrivaya ashamsat.
He narrated it to Sugriva because they were making friendship now. Sugriva came in contact with Rama and therefore Rama informed everything to Sita about the carrying away of Sita by Ravana. Anvayartham.
Mahabalah Ramah Sugrivaya Aditah tat sarvam ashamsat. विशेषतः सीतायाः यथावृत्तं अशंसत्।
Mahabalaha Rama, that mighty Rama, Sugrivaya, to Sugriva, Aditaha, from the beginning, Tat Sarvam Ashamsat, narrated that entire thing. Visheshataha, especially Sita's Yatha Vrittam Ashamsat. He narrated the story in reality, whatever happened about Sita. So, idanim padartham shigram pashyamaha. Mahabalaha, Atulita Balaha, Amita Balaha. Atulita means without incomparable. Incomparable, Rama of the incomparable power. Aditaha Arambataha. Sarvam Purnam, Vrittam, Vrittantam, story. Sugrivaya, Sugriva Namadheyaya, Vanara Rajaya, Shamsat Akathayat, Visheshataha, Visheshena, Sitayaha Anyat Namadheyam Janaki iti. Janakasya apatyam stri Janaki. Punaha tad iti tad harana rupam, that yatha vrittam, yatha ghatitam, yatha vrittam, yatha sanjatam, yatha ghatitam, in as it is. Yatha vrittam is as it is what happened to Sita. Yatha ghatitam, that is Jaisa Hua, but in English well known story, whatever really happened. Shamsat Agadit. Gada means to speak. Gada. Gadati. There is a verb. So that is given here as a substitute for Shamsat. We have come across little Jagada. Jagada. Gada, to speak. Gadati, Gadataha, Gadanti. Gadanama Vada. Vada iti dhatum vayam janimah. Vada, Vadati, Vadataha, Vadanti. Ham Samskritam Vadami, etc. Gadami apisthi. Parantu Gada Shabdasya Prayogaha Drishyate. Bahutra na drishyate. Gada iti dhatoha prayogaha. Vada iti tu sarvatra upayujyate. Bhavartam pashyamah.
Mahashakti sampannaha Sriramaha Arambhataha Sampurnam Vrittam Sugrivaya Shravitavan Tatrapi Visheshatah Sitayaha Apaharana Vrittam Yatha Ghatitam Agadit.
Idanim bhavartam Mahashakti sampannaha Mahabalaha Sriramaha Ramachandraha Arambhataha Aditaha Sampurnam Vrittam Sampurnam Katham Sugrivaya Shravitavan. Shravitavan iti Nichya Prayogaha, Nijanta Prayogaha. Made him listen. He made Sugriva listen to the story from the beginning. Shravitavan. Tatrapi, there too, Visheshataha, particularly Sita's Apaharana Vrittam, the story of Sita's what we say, kidnap. Earlier we used it. Sri Yatha Ghatitam, as it happened, Agadit Avadat Jagada iti. So Rama narrated to Sugriva from the beginning as to what exactly happened in the taking away, in the Harana, Sita Harana case, etc. Okay, Srinivas? Now, Nidarshanam. Vyakaranamshaha agachanti atra chatvaro va panchava sandhihi Shamsad Rama Shamsat Rama Jatva Shamsad Rama Shamsad Ramo Mahabala Punaha
Shamsad Ramaha
Visarga Sandhi Aditas Tad Visarga Sitayascha Visarga Sandhi. So Trayaha Visarga Sandhayaha Ekaha Jatva Sandhihi Chatvaraha Sandhayaha Atra Prastuti Kutaha Ka Idanim Samasa Dvayam Mahabalaha Ita Purvameva Bahu Shlokeshu Ayam Shabdaha Dushtaha Asmabhihi Yatha Vrittam Vrittam Anatikramya Vrittam Anatikramya iti Yatha Vrittam. This is called Etad Ayam Samasaha अव्ययी भाव समासः. अव्ययी भाव समासे एकं पदम् अवश्यम् एकं पदम् अव्ययं भवति. तत्र पश्यतु समासं. यथा इति पदम् अव्ययम्, यथा वृत्तं, यथा शक्ति इति अन्यदेकं समस्तपदमस्ति. यथा शक्ति इति वयं वदामः. शक्तिम् अनतिक्रम्य, यथा शक्ति इति समस्तपदस्य विवरणम् अथवा विग्रहवाक्यम् एवं भवति. शक्तिम् अनतिक्रम्य, not overcoming one's capacity, according to one's capacity. So like that we have yatha buddhi, buddhim anatikramya. Yatha shakti, yatha buddhi, yatha vrittam. So ete sarvepi shabdaah अव्ययी भाव समासाः इति कथ्यन्ते. यत्र एकं पदम् अवश्यम् अव्ययं भवति. ग तद्धितान्ताः. आदितः, आदि इति तसिल. तसिल, there is a pratyaya called tasil. तः, like we say, अहं गृहतः कार्यालयं गच्छामि, विदेशतः स्वदेशम् आगच्छामि. Instead of saying videshat, instead of using panchami of the any shabda, the beauty of this tasil is you need not derive that word in its respective panchami. Like for example, kanya shabda is there. You can't say kanyat. You can't say. Lanka, take for example Lanka shabda or Ganga shabda, Strilinga. I am coming from Ganga, if you want to say. Aham Gangayaha agachami. You have to say Ganga must be put in Panchami Yaha. Gangataha agachami, you can say. This tasil can be attached, suffix it to any gender. That is the beauty. Gangataha, Dillitaha, Videshataha, Gramataha, Nagarataha. So that is the way here. Aditaha, tasil, from the beginning. But the sense is Panchami. Tasil always used in the sense of Panchami. And what is the basic sense of Panchami? You know, apadane Panchami, separation. So from, we take in English from preposition. Visheshataha, again tasil there. Particularly, especially, yatha. Yat, thal. There is one more pratyaya, thal. Yat and thal attached, yatha. This is avyaya. Yatha thatha. We have na tat thal. Krudanta. Ekam krudantam. One verbal derivative. Vrittam. Vritta plus kta. That we know. Vritta dhatu, you know, vartate, vartete, vartante. Rama tatra na vartate, Sita vartate. So vritta, vartat. Kta, vrittam means what happened. Vrittam means what happened. Bhutam. Vrittam nama bhutam. Bhudatoho ktante kim bhavati? Bhuta iti bhavati. Bhudatoho ktanta prayoge. Bhuta. Bhuta nama happened. Bhutam nama what is come into existence. Angla bhashayam. Bhutam. Sarva yaha pasya. Sarva bhutani. Sarva bhutani nama tatra sarva jivani iti artah. Bhuta shabdasya ktanta prayoge पुनः अन्यः अपि अर्थः भवति. Bhutam nama gatam api. There are two meanings of bhuta. One is present. Tasya cha vartamane. Kta, this kta gives the vartamanartha. In the vartamanartha, this bhutani. Sadrusham sarva bhuteshu. Yaha pashyati sa pashyati. Sarva bhuteshu. In all the living beings we say. There it is vartamanartha. If you want to take bhutartha, means past tense it is. Bhutam means, as we understand in Telugu, something like a fellow is no more. I think you are getting that. There is one Nataka where this double meaning is played upon. Nanakani bhutani, he says. Coins have gone. It means coins are lost or coins are gained also. Because bhuta has two meanings there. One is past tense, one is present tense. So anyway, a little more explanation is made here. Tingantam. Shamsat. This is verbal explanation. Tinganta is verb. Subantam means, noun. Tinganta is verb. Ashamsat sthane shamsat iti arshah prayoga. This is the
Sarvatra lang lakare adagamaha
bhavati atra na jataha. That means ashamsat iti asya, the prayoga ashamsat actually. Iti asya sthane, in the place of ashamsat, shamsat iti arshah prayoga. What is arsha prayoga? Rushehe ayam prayoga arshah prayoga. Rushehe idam. Yan prayogan rushayah kurvanti tan prayogan arsha prayogan iti vayam kathayamah. Valmikihi kaschana rushihi, Vyasah kaschana rushihi, Vyasena likitam samskritam, Valmikina rachitam samskritam, tatra Panini viruddham bhavati. Kachit. Panini vyakaranam anusrutya Valmikihi na rachayati. Evameva Vyasa Maharshi api Valmiki Panini vyakarananusaram na lekanam karoti. Kartum na prabhavati. Na kartum na prabhavati. He doesn't have to conform himself to the vyakarana of Panini, because they are above the grammar. Rishis are above the vyakarana. Therefore, it is called arsha prayoga. When a certain point of grammar cannot be explained according to Paninian grammar, we call it arsha. Only rishis are exemption there. They are exceptions. They are exempt from rules of grammar. But we can't. Kalidasa will not do that. No Mahakavi violates the rule of Panini. Only exceptions are only two people, Valmiki and Vyasa. So we call that Arsha Prayoga. Rishi Prayoga. Arsha Prayoga means Rishi Prayoga. Sarvatra lang lakare. Lang lakara always is adagama is there. Gachati agachat, patati apatat, likati alikat. Everywhere is added in the past tense, lang lakara. Here it should be there, but it is not there. So we can't say Valmiki did not know Sanskrit. So we only simply say it is Rishi Prayoga, nothing wrong. Adagama bhavati atra na jataha. Here it has not come. Here adagama means at, that is not used here. That is what. Shamsa verb means to relate, to narrate, to praise also, to tell praise, etc. From the context you understand. पर्यायवाचिनः शब्दाः एकमेव एकं पदं वृत्तं उदन्तः. We know all these things. वार्ता, का वार्ता, कः वृत्तान्तः, कः उदन्तः, किं वृत्तं, what is the news. So अभ्यासं प्रति गच्छामः. 38 अभ्यासः. विग्रहवाक्यं लिखत. ओके. Mahabalah is already written. Mahat balam yasya saha bahurihi. Mahamanaha.
Mahat manaha yasya saha.
Very good. Mahat manaha yasya. This manas shabda is napumsaka. Derivation is like pullinga. Manaha manasi manamsi. You remember one joke I told you in the beginning about sakaranta shabda. Napumsakam iti matva. नपुंसकमिति मत्वा प्रियायै प्रेषितं मनः तत्तु तत्रैव रमते हा हताः पाणिनिना वयम्. So somebody is lamenting. He thought this manas shabda is napumsaka. So he sent it to his beloved. Napumsakamiti matva priyayai preshitam manah. He sent his manas to Priya, his beloved, thinking what? This fellow is napumsaka. Tattu tat manaha tu tatraiva priyayameva ramate. That mind which was dispatched by the lover towards his beloved started enjoying the beloved there only. Ha hata ha, I am cheated. We are cheated. Paninina vayam, by Panini. Panini said this is napumsaka, I sent it and it started enjoying. So that is So for a beginner, Manaha looks like Devaha, Devau, Devaha, but this is Sakaranta. That is it. Napumsakamiti matva priyayai preshitam manaha tattu tatraiva ramati hataha paninavayam. Okay, Ga Srinivas. Mahateja. Tejas Shabda is also Napumsaka. Mahat Tejaha Yasya Saha. Mahadhanaha. Dhanam. Dhana Shabda is Napumsaka. Mahat Dhanam. Mahad Dhanam Yasya Saha. Then Mahabahuhu. Mahad Bahuhu. Oh no. Here Bahu na. Mahantau Bahu Yasya Saha. Mahantau, because Mahan, Bahu Shabda is Pullinga. Mahan, Mahantau, Mahantaha. Mahantau, Bahu, Bahuhu, Bahu, Bahavaha. Ukaranta Pullinga Shabda. So carefully here, Mahantau, Bahu, Yasya Saha, Mahabahuhu. We can't put Bahu Shabda in Ekavachana also, because one-armed fellow he will become. Mahan Bahu Yasya Saha we can't say. There will be some deformity in saying that. One arm is very perfect. Okay, Mahabandhuhu. This can be, why this fellow, all, not all need to be in Bahuvrihi. This can be in two samasas, Srinivas. Mahan cha asau bandhuscha karmadharaya. Mahan cha asau eshaha bandhuhu cha. That will be karmadharaya. Mahan cha asau bandhuscha. Or it can be Shashti Tatpursha. Mahabandhuhu. Mahatam bandhuhu. The relative of great people. Two ways you have to understand. One is karmadharaya. Mahabandhuhu means a great relative. What is the other meaning? The relative of the great people. Both are possible. Mahatam bandhuhu. Mahabandhuhu. Mahanchasau bandhuscha. That way, this is two. Then Mahayashaha. Yashas Shabda is Napumsaka. Yeah, Mahat Yashaha Yasya Saha Mahayashaha. Like Mahatejaha. Mahashaktihi.
Mahat Shaktihi Yasya Saha.
Here, Shakti is what linga?
Shakti is
Feminine. Yes, Strilinga. You are right. Shakti is Strilinga. So, Mahat changes here.
Mahati.
Mahati Shaktihi Yasya Saha. Very good. Mahati Shaktihi Yasya Saha Mahashaktihi. The one who has great power. Mahayashaha. The one who has great fame. Mahabandhu. The one who is a great relative, or the one who... Oh, Bahuri, can it be? It can also be Bahuri or Mahan Bandhuhu. Mahantaha Bandhavaha Yasya Saha. He who has great relatives. Bahuri also can be there. Mahantaha Bandhavaha Yasya Saha. Saha, he, Yasya, who has Bandhavaha, relatives, Mahantaha, who are great. The one who has great relatives. See, three ways you can understand this samasa. Mahantaha Bandhavaha Yasya Saha Mahabandhuhu is one way. Another is Shashti Tatpursha Mahatam Bandhuhu. Another is Karmadharaya Mahancha Asau Bandhuscha. Whichever way, context wise we understand that. Some we will write at the end, Srinivas. Dvitiyamsham. Asya slokasya pramukham kriyapadam kartupadam karmapadam cha nidishita. Okay. What is kriyapada? Important. Shamsad. What is kartupadam? Main subject. Ramaha. Raman told everything to Sugriva. Rama kartupadam. Karmapadam. Aditaha tad vrittantam. Vrittantam.
Tad yatha vrittam.
Yatha vrittam. Oh, yatha vrittam is vyaya. Sugrivaya, that you have to take karma. Sometimes you get chaturthi also. Sugrivam iti. Sugrivaya is karma. Karma pada. Okay, only 3 words are here. Shamsad iti kriyapadam. Ramah iti kartrupadam. Karmapadam kim iti Sugriva iti karmapadam. Sugrivaya iti. Iti traya shabdaha atra uttara rupena ज्ञातव्यानि. ज्ञातव्याः त्रयः तृतीय अंशः श्चुत्व संधेः पंच उदाहरणानि लिखत. नाउ ही वांट्स यू टू राइट श्चुत्व संधि. स्तोः चुनाश्चुः. So one is given on the basis of that. Vachanat vachanapt cha. You can take tacha. Tat plus cha. Tacha. Kavischa. Kavihi. Kavis. Sa becomes sha. Kavihi plus visarga is sakara. Generally in Sanskrit, visarga is nothing but sakara. Kavihi plus cha. Kavischa. Sha has come. We have one word, simple words I am recollecting. Tat jalam. Tat jalam. Tat jalam. Shutva, that is. So, and one more. We teach one example. Harihi sete. Haris, that is actually sete. Harishete. Harishete. Harihi sete means Hari is sleeping. Sete Vishnur Sadashade. Kartike Pratibudhyate. That is the Purana. Vishnu Ashada Masa full takes relax. He completely takes rest. Ashada Masa throughout. Sete Vishnu Sada Ashade. Kartike Pratibudhyate. In Kartika Masa he wakes up. All pujas Puraskar will take. So Ashada Masa, these sannyasis don't go anywhere because Vishnu is taking rest, we also take rest. So they never do, So Harishete, fourth amsha, and the last one. Yathodaharanam kriya rupam, lung rupam. Oh, he wants you to write lung, past tense, Srinivas. Asham.
Shutva, one doubt, sir. Kavihi plus cha is only just visarga sandhi, no? Kavischa.
Kavihi plus cha, yes.
Only visarga sandhi.
Sometimes it can be chutva also.
Oh.
Because overlapping is there. Alsandi. Because visarga is nothing but sakara. Stoho, so the rule says stoho chunas chuhu. Sakara, shakara it becomes. Takara, shakara it becomes. If it is followed by stoho. Sakara tavargabhyam, shakara yoge, shakara chavargau staha. Takara, sakara tavargabhyam. Sa letter, tavarga means ta, tha, da, dha, na. When they are coming in union with shakara and chavarga, chacha, janya, this shakara and chavarga will influence this to become that. This is called regressive assimilation in linguistics, not progressive. Some letters are powerful, they assimilate the preceding letters into them. They give their form. Like the example I gave you, Harihi, Haris or Harihi Sete. There is a double sha coming there. Sa has merged into shakara. Harishete. So, linguistic people, they interpret it as regressive assimilation, progressive assimilation. Assimilation. Letters swallow and give their form. That is it. Similarly, Kavischa can be, it comes under thing, Visarga Sandhi we have covered that, your doubt is in the list also, I provided that. Visarga preceded by any vowel followed by Sha, it becomes Cha. Yes, it is covered in Visarga Sandhi. That is what? That is Shutva only. Okay, let us go to Ashamsat, we have already seen.
Yes.
Ka Akatayat. Acha, 2 he has given. Akatayat. Vada, you know this, very simple. Vada becomes Langlakar, Srinivas. Avadat. Vadati, avadat. Pujayati, apujayat. I am giving you Latlakar. You give me Langlakar. Srunoti, 5th one. Ashrunot. This is a little difficult. Ashrunot, ashrunot, ashrunutam, ashrunvan. That is the derivation. Cha, chala, chalati, achalat. Achalat, simple. Cha, gam, gachati, agachat. Ja, apibat, he only gave. Pa, pane. What is the lat of this? Pibati. Pa, piba. Pibati, pibataha, pibanti, apibat. So we will write Srinivas, we have to write, otherwise. Some samasa vigraha vakyas, which are difficult, you tell me. Mahabandhu is one.
Mahabahu.
That one also, yeah. So Abhyasa number 38. Part
1. Nya.
Part 1 only. This one.
Yeah.
Now tell me. Mahavahu. Yasya saha. Bahuvrihi samasa. Next.
Cha. Mahabandhu.
I don't know what is the intention of the book preparators. I will write first Bahuvrihi. Mahantaha, Mahantaha, Bandhavaha, Duhu Bandhu, Bandhavaha, Yasya, Saha. But other explanations are also valid. Mahatam Bandhuhu, Mahancha Asau, Bandhuscha. Next.
Mahashakti.
What is the letter?
Ja.
First Ja.
Mahati.
Mahati Shakti.
Shakti.
Yasya Saha. Mahati. Yes, no.
Yes.
Shakti. Now, it could be anything. Yasyaha or Yasya. Mahashakti. It could be Yasya, Yasyaha. Then Saha, Sa. Mahashakti can be referred to a lady also. Mahashakti. Mahati Shakti Yasya Saha. Mahati Shakti Yasyaha Sa. Sa Mahashakti. Acha, this is part 1 is over. The second one is easy, na? Shamsat Ramaha Sugrivaha. Sandhis? You have to write, na? Okay, you tell me. Achha, ink. Point 3.
Kha.
Kha or Ka?
Kha. Kavihi Prischa.
Kavischa. Yeah, Chutwal is Chutwal. Any more? Harishyeti, one more. Harishyeti, harihi, sheti. So here, double sha, Srinivas. This sakara becomes shakara. Visarga becomes shakara. Harishyeti. Very simple one. Tat plus cha become tacha. Tucha also, not tucha. What is that? I said? Jalam. Jalam, tat jalam. Tat plus jalam. Tat jalam. Tavargasya jakarasya. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 he wants you to make.
Part 4 is simpler.
Part 4 will change the color. Yeah. Tell me.
Kha is given the avadayat.
Avadati not necessary, Srinivas. Avadati is simple in the beginning. We will write asrunot. Asrunot. This one. Asrunot. Then asrunot, asrunutam, asrunvan. Achalat simple, agachat simple, no problem. Apujayat. All are simple only. एतादृशानि क्रियारूपाणि अस्माभिः बहोः कालात् पूर्वम् आरम्भे एव पठितानि सन्ति अगच्छत् एट्सेट्रा रीड् प्लीस्
महाबाहुः महान्तो बाहुः यस्य सः च महाबन्धुः महान्तः
बन्धवः
बन्धवः यस्य
सः
सः is not
okay
महती शक्तिः यस्य सः और यस्या सा. Point 3 ख कविश्च
हरिष्येते शेते अच्छा ओके राइट हरिष्येते
तच्च तज्जलम्
तज्जलम्.
Then fourth point
अश्रुणोत् अश्रुणुताम् अश्रुण्वन् इति क्रियापदम्. एवम् अस्माकम् 38 अभ्यासः समाप्तः. इदानीं 60तमश्लोकस्य पूर्वार्धः पुनः स्मर्तव्यः गतपाठात्. आदितः तद्यथा
आदितस्तद्यथा वृत्तं सीतायाश्च विशेषतः सुग्रीवश्चापि तत्सर्वं श्रुत्वा रामस्य वानरः सख्यं रामेण प्रीतश्चैवाग्निसाक्षिकम्.
पुनः पठतु.
चकार सख्यं रामेण प्रीतश्चैवाग्निसाक्षिकम्.
तद् आदितः तद् यथावृत्तम् इति गतपृष्ठे पठितं. सीतायाः च विशेषतः सुग्रीवः च अपि तत् सर्वं श्रुत्वा रामस्य वानरः चकार सख्यं रामेण प्रीतः च एव अग्निसाक्षिकम्. अग्निसाक्षिकं सख्यं कृतं रामेण. पदपरिचयं पश्यामः. सुग्रीवः अपि तत् एकवचनं तत् तत्तेतानि तत्तेतानि द्वितीय सर्वं द्वितीय एकवचनं नपुंसक नपुंसक. श्रुत्वा रामस्य अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग षष्ठी. वानरः चकार कृ इति धातुः Sakhyam akaranta
Napumsaka Dvitiya Ekvachanam.
Ramena
Akaranta Pumlinga Tritiya Ekvachanam.
Pritaha
Akaranta Pumlinga Prathama Ekvachanam.
Cha avyayam eva avyayam Agni Sakshikam
Akaranta Napumsakalinga Dvitiya Ekvachanam.
Samastam Padam. एतानि पदानि सन्ति तत् पद अयं पदपरिचयः इदानीं सा आकांक्षा अत्र वर्तते ताम् आकांक्षां पश्यामः चकार डिड मेड डिड और मेड कः चकार हू मेड और हू डिड
सुग्रीवः चकार
सुग्रीवा मेड कीदृशः सुग्रीवः व्हाट टाइप ऑफ सुग्रीवः
वानरः सुग्रीवः
मंकी सुग्रीवा पुनश्च कीदृशः सुग्रीवः अगेन व्हाट टाइप ऑफ सुग्रीवा
प्रीतः सुग्रीवः
pleased Sugriva. Pleased Sugriva kim chakara. What did Sugriva do? I mean, what did Sugriva do?
Sugriva sakhyam chakara.
See, switching from Sanskrit to English, the tongue is not cooperating. What did Sugriva do? Something I am saying. What did he do? Sugriva sakhyam chakara. Sugriva made friendship. Sugriva kena sakhyam chakara. With whom did Sugriva make friendship?
Sugriva Ramena sakhyam chakara.
Sugriva made friendship with Rama. Sugriva kidrusham sakhyam chakara. What type of friendship did Sugriva make?
Sugriva agnisakshikam sakhyam chakara.
Sugriva made friendship witnessed by the fire. Witnessed by the fire. Sugriva kim krutva sakhyam chakara. Saying what did Sugriva make friendship?
Sugriva Ramasya tatsarvam shrutva sakhyam chakara.
Sugriva made friendship having heard the story of Rama. Oh my God. Anvayartham.
Vanarah Sugrivascha Ramasya tatsarvam shrutva Pritascha Ramena agnisakshikam sakhyam chakara. Vanarah
Sugrivaha Vanara Rajaha Sugrivaha Ramasya Tat Sarvam Vrittantam Shrutva, listening to that entire story, Pritaha, being pleased, cha, and also pleased Ramena, along with Rama, Agni Sakshikam, with the fire as the witness, in the presence of the fire, also you can Sakhyam Chakara, made friendship. Padartham Patami. Vanaraha Kapihi Harihi. Itah Purvam Paryaya Shabdaha Dattah. Vanaraha Harihi Kapihi. More na? Yeah, not getting. So, okay. Sugrivaha. Sugriva Nama. By name Sugriva. Cha Api. Ramasya Raghavasya. Tat Sarvam Purnam. Shrutva. Pritaha San. This is, San means being pleased. Pleased, being pleased. So we use San there in understood. Being. Prasannaha San. Cha Ramena. Agni Sakshikam. Sakshi Krutya. Agnim Sakshi Krutya. Making the fire as the witness. Sakhyam Maitreem Chakara Krutavan Akarot. Sakhyam Akarot. Bhavartham.
Raghavasya sarvam iti vrittam akarnya saman dukha piditau eva avam iti vichintya tena saha maitreem kitakarim jnatva pramuditaha san agnim sakshinam vidhaya ramena saha maitreem akarut.
Bhavartha अन्वयार्थेन अन्वयार्थ तुलनेन अधिकतया शोभते. राघवस्य सर्वम् इति वृत्तं रामस्य सर्वम् इति वृत्तं श्रुत्वा आकर्ण्य, having listened to the entire story of Rama, समान दुःख पीडितौ एव आवामिति विचिन्त्य, thinking, Sugriva thinking that we both are troubled in the same manner. We both are, what do you say, sailing in the same boat. As we say in English, idiomatic, we are sailing in the same boat. We are both troubled in the same manner. Samana dukkha pidito, we are troubled with the same type of suffering. You know, because this fellow, Sugriva, was also suffering in the same way because his wife was taken away by his own brother. That was too much. and the Rama's wife was taken away by Ravana. So samana dukkha piditau eva avamiti, we both are equally troubled, thinking like this, vichintya tena sugrivena saha ramena saha maitrim hitakarim gnatva, thinking making friendship with Rama is beneficial to him. Pramuditaha san, santushtaha san, Sugrivaha, Agnim Sakshinam Krutva Vidhaya Sukrutva, making Agni as the witness. Ramena Saha, along with Rama, Maitrim Akarot, Maitrim Chakara, Sakyam Chakara. So he made friendship with him. I think there is one point to be noted here, Srinivas. When people are of the same mind, they become friends. So people who come to form friendship, their minds are attuned. That is, the classic example is here. Rama was suffering in the same way as Sugriva was suffering, so both met and said, I will help you, you help me in turn. Otherwise, there can't be any friendship, because both have to understand each other. Problem. If somebody is not, supposing Sugriva was not suffering in the same way Rama was suffering, then perhaps Sugriva would not have come to the help of Rama. So that is a point here. So Angla is, I think, okay. Pleased to hear the whole narrative. Monkey chief made friendship with Rama in the presence of sacred fire. Okay. Grammar. व्याकरणांशं पश्यामः. निदर्शनं संधि सुग्रीवश्च सुग्रीवः च विसर्गसन्धि चापि प्रीतश्च प्रीतः च विसर्गसन्धि चैव वृद्धिसन्धि च प्लस एव चैवाग्निसाक्षिकं चैव प्लस अग्निः सवर्णदीर्घसन्धि. So 3-4 sandhis are simple. Eka eva samasah agnisaक्षिकम्. Agnihi sakshi yasya saha. The one whose sakshi was fire. Tam agnisakshikam. Tam should have been yasya saha tam. So anyway, krudantau dvau shrutva. Shru iti dhatuhu tvanta prayoga. Pritaha.
Pri plus ta.
Pri, prinati, prinitaha, prinanti, etc. Pri dhatu. Pri to please. Yaha pitaram prinati saputraha. Anyway, pri plus ta pritaha. Pleased, Srinivas. Then tadditanta ekameva sakyam. Yat. From yat you get only ya, like neya, bhavya, etc. Anyway, abhyasam, kartum shakyate. Idanim ekona chatvarimshat. Ekona chatvarimshattamaha abhyasaha, 39th abhyasa. Now what did he? Riktam sthanam purayata. Okay, Srinivas, try. This has to be written. Chakara chakratuhu chakruhu chakruhu. I think we have written earlier. Chakartha chakratuhu chakra. It is already there. Chakara chakruva chakruma. Did we give that earlier, Srinivas? This is a note. Kuru dhatu is, I think, shown earlier. Do you remember? Yeah. It is there, Srinivas. Already, I don't know which lesson, but we put it. Chakara chakratuhu chakruhu, chakartha chakratuhu chakra, chakara chakara is also there, double form, chakruva chakruma. We have already done it on some page. Please note it. Then, next one, Jahara. This is Hru dhatu. Srinivas, Hru harane. Harati, harataha, haranti, vartamana kale. Lati. Harati, harataha, haranti, aharat, aharatam, aharan. Ruti in bhavishyat kala, harishyati, harishyataha, harishyanti, hri, harane. Then liti, it becomes jahara, Srinivas. Jahratuhu, Jahruhu. This I think not given earlier. What do you think? Not given. We'll write this. First read Jahara, Jahratuhu, Jahruhu, Jahartha, Jahratuhu, Jahra, like Chakra, Jahra, Jahara, Jahara also double form, Jahriva, Jahrima, Srinivas. Jahrima, Jahrima. Very difficult. This we'll write after the completion. Second Amsha, Vishesha Padam, Uchitena Vishesha Padena Yojeta. Now join the adjective with the appropriate noun of the sloka. But our English is again horrible English here. Visheshana Padam, Visheshya Padam. Adjective, noun. Vanaram. Who is the Visheshya? Vanara here? Sugrivam. Sugrivam. Vanaram, Sugrivam. Pritaha. Adjective. To whom is it is used? Kasya ayam shabdaha visheshana shabdaha prayuktaha. Again punaha Sugrivaha. Pritaha Sugrivaha. Vanaram Sugrivam. Punaha Agni Sakshikam iti. This is adjective to what word in the poem? Agni Sakshikam Kim? That's it. Sakyam. Sakyam iti Visheshya Padam atra. Sakyam iti Visheshya Padam. Agni Sakshikam iti Visheshana Padam. So punaha ekavaram. Vanaram Sugrivam. Pritaha Sugrivaha. Agni Sakshikam Sakyam. So Vamataha Trini Padani Visheshanani. Dakshinataha ye santi. Yani santi Trini Padani Tani Visheshya Padani. Sugrivam Sugrivaha Sakyam iti etani Trini api Visheshya Padani. Punaha Visheshana Padani. Vanaram Pritaha Agni Sakshikam iti Visheshana Padani. Third Amsha Uttaram Likata. Mitratayaha Sakshi Kaha Asid. Who was the witness between the friendship of the friendship between Rama and Sugriva? Agnihi. Rama Sugrivayoho Mitratayaha Sakshi Agnihi Asid. Take out Kaha, put Agnihi. Then Kha. Sugriva. With whom did Sugriva make friendship? So Kena remove Sugriva. Ramena Saha Sakyam Chakara. Third. Sugriva Kim Shrutva Sakyam Chakara. Hearing what did Sugriva make friendship? Only Sarvam or Tat Sarvam? Aditaha. Not there? In the previous one, okay. Tat Sarvam Shrutva, Sugriva Tat Sarvam Shrutva Sakyam Chakara. Chakara ityasya karta kaha. Who is the agent of the verb Chakara? Did. Sugrivaha. Chakara ityasya karta Sugrivaha. So rapidly. First Ka Agnihi. Kha Ga Tat Sarvam. Gha Sugrivaha. Fourth one. Adholikitam Yojeta. Yojana is there. Agni Sakshikam. What is it? We have already seen this in the previous place. Agni Sakshikam. It came under Samasa. Sorry. It is a Samasa, Srinivas. Previous page, 213. Agnihi Sakshi Yasya. Samasta Padam. So, Agni Sakshikamiti na Antimam Padam Dakshinataha Samasta Padam. Vanaraha iti Kidrusham Padam. What is the answer given here? Tingantam Krudantaha Taditantaha Asamastam Subantam. That is one. Asamastam Subantam. It is not a compound noun. Okay. Vanaraha iti gha. Asamastam Subantam. Asamastam Subantam means it is not a compound word. Okay. Shrutva. Shrutva is not Krudanta. Shrutva is Krudanta. Tva is then Shrutva. Chakara. Chakara is verb na Srinivas. Tingantam. Oh, you are not getting these technical terms, na? Okay, okay. Tingantam, I just told you in the beginning of this class. Ting is the abbreviated form of Parini. Tip, titaha, etc. So, titaha anti we use na, that is ting, technically. Ting means the terminations applied to dhatus. Sup, su, au, jas, au, shat, ta, bhyam, bhis, etc. Traditionally speaking, all the are to be learned by heart. And then they applied. So, this sup, starting with su, ending with pa, they are called subantas, means noun. So, remember, sup, anta, subanta, like ajanta shabda, halanta shabda, you know. Ach, anta. A word ending in vowel is called ajanta. Hal, anta, halanta. Now, subanta, sup, anta, subanta means noun. Tinganta means verb. So, what is the verb here? Chakara, tinganta. Then what is left? Sakhyam, taditaha. Just now we said Sakhi, it is explained. Sakhi plus yat, taditanta, Sakhyam. So, we will repeat here. Agni Sakshikam is Samastapadam. Last one. Vanaraha iti asamastam subantam. Sutva iti krudantaha. Chakara tingantam. Sakyam iti taditantaha shabdaha. Okay. Yeah. Panchavamshaha. Now you have to show na here complete as shown in the exam. Chakara is lit. He wants you to do lang and also ktavatu. What will be langi rupa? Lang simple past tense. Agachat. Agachat. Very good. Ktavatu. Good. Gatavan. Yes. You are now learned Sanskrit. Dhatu. Gam. Gam. Okay. Jagama langi agachat. Tavatu pratyante gatavan. Dhatuhu gam. Good. Jagahana. Han. Hana dhatu. Acha. Dhatu is not first, na? Hanti. Langi. Hanti hataha gnanti. Ahan. Ahan. Ahatam agnan. Ahan. This we did not do in lang any time, na? Han. Just a minute. Ahan. Srinivas? Lang rupa, na? Ahan. Anyway, you try to do ktavatu?
Yeah. Hatavan.
Hatavan. Very good. What is the dhatu? Han. Han dhatu. What happened? Not opening this. Okay. Jhagana is over. Then lileka. Very simple. Likha dhatu. Lit is alikat. Likhitavan. Likha. Dhatu is likha. Mamara. Amarayat. Very good.
Maritavan.
Maritavan.
Mara. Mara.
Mamara. Mara dhatu. Mru. Mru. Causative ma. Okay. Only Jagana. Ahan. I am just looking whether it is come already or not. So, Jagana. Yeah, I said Ahan. It did not come earlier. Ahan, Ahatam, Agnan. Ahan, Ahatam, Agnan. Ahan, that is what? Ahan, then Hatavan, Han dhatu. Han dhatu. Lileka, that is simple. Mamara, Mru. Mru, Mara. In causal form it comes. That is, Mula dhatu is Mru Marayati. Causative.
You have to write this.
Yeah, we will write, but time is not there. We will see. Even this, I think, did not come earlier. I am just checking whether it has come earlier. If it has come, we make a note now. Mukshati. Oh, this is different. Why they should give such an unused one? Me, momo, me. Anyway, I will look into that, Srinivas.
Sure.
Not finding it.
We'll show complete.
Yeah, complete picture will give in the Agamini Kakshayam. Vayam Darshayamah. Shubham Bhuyat.